The Majestic World of Tigers, a deep dive. Did you know that tigers are the largest wildcats in the world? That's right. These majestic creatures, with their striking stripes and impressive stature, sit at the very top of the feline hierarchy. The world of tigers is diverse and intriguing, with a variety of species that captivate and inspire. There are the Siberian tigers, the largest of them all, prowling the chilly landscapes of Russia. Then we have the Bengal tigers, famous for their beautiful orange coats, roaming the forests of India and Bangladesh. Sumatran tigers, Malayan tigers, Indo-Chinese tigers, and South China tigers, each species unique, each with its own tale to tell. These magnificent creatures grace our planet with their presence in various corners of the world, from the snowy expanses of eastern Russia and North Korea to the lush green jungles of Indonesia. Tigers are indeed fascinating creatures, but there's more to them than meets the eye. Do you ever wonder why tigers have stripes? It's a question that's intrigued many a mind, and the answer is as fascinating as the question itself. Tigers, the majestic creatures that they are, owe their striking appearance to these very stripes. Stripes on a tiger aren't merely for aesthetic appeal. They serve a crucial purpose: camouflage. Yes, you heard it right. In the dense forests and tall grasses, these black stripes against the orange backdrop blend seamlessly with the surroundings. It's as if the tiger becomes one with the wilderness, invisible to its prey until it's too late. But that's not all. These stripes also play a vital role in individual identification. Much like human fingerprints, no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each tiger boasts a unique set of stripes, an identity card, if you will, granted by nature itself. Now let's delve into the world of colors. While most of us picture a tiger as a bright orange beast with black stripes, tigers come in a variety of colors. White tigers, for instance, are not mere figments of storybooks. They are real, and they are breathtaking. White tigers owe their distinctive color to a genetic condition called leucism, which reduces pigmentation. They still carry stripes, albeit faint and hard to distinguish. Similarly, there are golden tigers, too, their fur a rich golden hue, darker than the usual orange, due to a color variant caused by a recessive gene. So it's not just about the stripes. It's about the interplay of genes, the dance of nature, and the survival of the fittest. It's about the intricate tapestry of evolution that paints each tiger with its unique set of stripes and colors. And that's what makes these creatures so captivating, so enchanting. Each tiger, with its unique stripe pattern and color, is a testament to the fascinating diversity of nature. So each tiger is a unique masterpiece of nature, wearing its very own stripe pattern. Have you ever considered how tigers, being so large, manage to hunt so efficiently? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of these efficient predators and explore their hunting techniques and diet. Tigers are carnivores, and their diet primarily consists of large and medium-sized animals. Their favorites include the sambar, chital, and gaur, but they're not picky eaters. They'll also dine on smaller prey like monkeys, peafowls, and hares when larger prey are scarce. Now, how does a tiger, with its massive size, manage to catch its prey? It's all about strategy and physical prowess. Tigers are solitary hunters, and they rely heavily on stealth. Their characteristic striped coat provides an excellent camouflage, blending with the tall grasses and shadows of their surroundings. This allows them to get incredibly close to their prey without being detected. Once they're within striking distance, it's all about power and speed. Tigers have a robust, muscular build, with powerful hind legs that are longer than their front ones. This unique body structure allows them to leap distances of over 20 feet in a single bound. Add to that their sharp claws and strong jaws, and you have an apex predator perfectly designed for the kill. But their hunting technique doesn't just rely on brute strength. Tigers are also incredibly patient. They can spend hours silently tracking their prey, waiting for just the right moment to strike. And even then, not every hunt is successful. Tigers may only make a successful kill once in every 10 to 20 attempts, which speaks volumes about the harsh realities of life in the wild. Their hunting prowess is also influenced by their excellent night vision. Tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, and their eyes are adapted to see clearly even in low-light conditions. This gives them an additional advantage when hunting under the cover of darkness. Indeed, Tigers are a perfect blend of strength and agility, making them one of nature's most efficient predators. Unlike lions, have you noticed that tigers prefer to live alone? These magnificent creatures are solitary by nature, valuing their independence and space above all else. Each tiger stakes out a territory, a vast expanse of wilderness that becomes their personal kingdom. This territory may range from 20 to 100 square miles, depending on the availability of prey and the presence of other tigers. But what is interesting about tigers is their territorial behavior. They mark their territories with scent marks, a unique signature that serves as a warning to other tigers. This is my land. Respect it. These scent marks are a tiger's way of communicating, of asserting its dominance without the need for physical confrontation. Yet, despite their solitary nature, tigers are not devoid of familial bonds. When it comes to raising their young, they exhibit a softer, nurturing side. The mother tiger, or tigress, gives birth to her cubs in a secluded den and raises them on her own. For the first 2 years of their lives, the cubs remain under their mother's care, learning the art of survival in the wild. She teaches them how to hunt, how to mark their territory, and most importantly, how to survive in the solitary world of the tiger. So, while they may be solitary, tigers are fiercely protective and nurturing when it comes to their offspring. Are you aware of the threats that these magnificent creatures face in the wild? Let's delve into the major threats that are jeopardizing the survival of tigers in the wild. The first and perhaps the most significant of these threats is habitat loss. As human populations continue to grow and expand, natural habitats are being destroyed to make way for agricultural activities, infrastructure development, and resource extraction. This has led to a drastic reduction in the space available for tigers to live and hunt, pushing them closer to human settlements and increasing the likelihood of human-tiger conflicts. Another major threat to tigers is poaching. Tigers are hunted illegally for their body parts, which are then sold on the black market. Their bones, skin, and teeth are highly valued in certain cultures for their supposed medicinal properties, or as status symbols. This illicit trade is fueled by a high demand and the potential for significant financial gain, making it a serious threat to the survival of tigers. Conflicts with humans present another significant challenge. As tigers are forced to venture closer to human settlements due to habitat loss, encounters between tigers and humans become more frequent, often resulting in fatalities on both sides. Tigers may attack humans or livestock, leading to retaliatory killings by humans. Despite these grim realities, there's a silver lining. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect and preserve these magnificent creatures. Efforts range from establishing and expanding protected areas, implementing strict anti-poaching measures, to raising awareness about the importance of tigers in the ecosystem. Organizations and governments are working tirelessly to reduce human-tiger conflicts through innovative techniques like early warning systems and providing alternative livelihoods to communities living near tiger habitats. These efforts, although challenging, are crucial in ensuring the survival of tigers. Every individual tiger saved contributes to the overall health and diversity of the species. Conservation isn't just about saving an individual species, it's about preserving the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Despite the threats they face, efforts are ongoing to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam our planet. So, what have we learned about tigers today? Our journey began by exploring the mesmerizing stripes and colors that make each tiger as unique as a human fingerprint. This distinctive feature is not just for show, but also serves a crucial role in their survival, providing camouflage in their natural habitats. We then ventured into the world of these apex predators, marveling at their hunting prowess. These solitary hunters are equipped with powerful muscles and sharp claws, making them one of the most feared predators on the planet. But despite their fearsome reputation, we discovered that tigers lead solitary lives, marking and defending their territories. This solitude adds an air of mystery and intrigue to these magnificent creatures, making them even more fascinating. However, our journey also revealed a sadder reality. Tigers face significant threats, from habitat loss to poaching, pushing these majestic beasts to the brink of extinction. but all is not lost. We also highlighted the various conservation efforts underway across the globe, aimed at protecting and preserving these extraordinary creatures for future generations. In conclusion, our exploration today has shown us that tigers are not just symbols of strength and power, but also of beauty and vulnerability. These majestic creatures are indeed a testament to the grandeur of nature, highlighting the delicate balance between humans and the natural world. Tigers are indeed a testament to nature's splendor and power, deserving not just our admiration, but also our protection.